I feel so weird right now without eyeliner, but that's because we have a brand new mascara to try out, and this is by L'Oreal. They just released the Bambi Eye Mascara. This is gonna be the waterproof version, of course. I just love waterproof better for my lashes. I feel like it holds the curl better. My eyelashes are super tiny and they don't have a curl at all. This one is in 405 Blackest Black. Looking at the picture, actually, not like dying for it, but you never know how it's gonna apply, and that's what we're going to see in this video. Instant eye opening volumizing mascara, does not clump upon application. This retails for $10.99 at 0.21 ounces. For me personally, I believe that best drugstore mascaras are from L'Oreal and from Maybelline. They're just my favorite, and also gonna be reviewing a new one from Maybelline. I'm super excited for that. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't feel heavy whatsoever, and it just says Bambi Eye Mascara waterproof. First thing I'm gonna do is curl my lash, because I wouldn't ever wear mascara without curling my lash. It's just not gonna hold a curl. Alright, so I'm just gonna pump this a couple of times, and you can kind of see them there. Wand is pretty interesting. It's very spiky, and before that curl goes down, let's start applying. Wow, so that is one coat. That's looking amazing. I'm so surprised. I really had low expectations because of the picture. If you look at this one from the new one from Maybelline, look how those lashes look. That, I'm like, I can't wait to try it. This one, I don't know. I just wasn't crazy. But I never just do one coat. Right now there's no clumpiness whatsoever, so I'm gonna go with a second coat like I do with all my mascaras, and we'll see how that looks. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it like this because they can obviously start sticking together extremely easily. Loving the length. I don't usually put like the same mascara for my lower lashes than my upper lashes. I use my favorite one, which is by Clinique, but we're gonna test out and see how it works for the lower lashes. Okay, so that's how it looks. I don't want to play with it too much because this is not the ideal brush like for the lower lashes. You can get this all over if you're not careful. See, it wasn't too messy like on top of the lid. Let me go ahead and do the other eye, see how they both look, but you can see major difference right now. So as you see, that's one coat, this is two coats. I think they give you much more like length than volume. Love it. I love it, I love it. My favorite is the telescopic from L'Oreal. Like I said, L'Oreal and Maybelline, they do not disappoint. Alright, so I think 2 coats is the most you'll get before they start like sticking together. You can always go like with, you gotta be careful, but sometimes like with the tweezer, like any tool to separate them. But if you don't want to go through all of that, then stick to like 2. The bottom lashes, I have had mascaras that, I don't know, define the bottom lash better and they just look nicer. But I have to say I'm surprised. You see, no, it's just that picture threw me off. They can't wait to just put my eyeliner. I'm not used to like not having liner, but I know you guys prefer to see how this looks better just like this, and I completely understand. I have to say I do recommend this. Try it. I don't know about the regular formula. I stick to waterproof. By the way, if you want to see the telescopic, I have it on my channel so you can see. It's insane. Next is this one. This is the Falsies Lash Lift, and actually the brush looks exactly like from Too Faced or the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Down below, what is your favorite drugstore brand for mascara? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!